Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Brown. I teach clarinet at Crosby Middle School and Mel Owen Music. I am here today to talk about the clarinet all-county music for 7th grade, and this is the clarinet specific side, and just going to give a few pointers before I give a quick demo of the exercise. First thing, let's talk about the first line here. So you want to start off with a nice full sound here. It's mezzo forte, nice full sound. And then the third and fourth measures, as the notes go down, you want to kind of bring out those lower notes because they're gonna get lost if you try to play them the same dynamic level. So give them a little bit more volume as they go down to kind of keep them at the same level as the G's that separate those low notes there. All right, second line, we have here in the third measure some atypical notes here. What I mean by that is they don't really follow a scale or anything. So the third note here in the third measure is a D sharp. That's the same as E flat. So if you know your E flat fingering, then you know that note, and if not, you can reference the back cover of your Standard of Excellence book. The F sharp in this measure needs to be played with the alternate F sharp fingering, and that is just like F, but you're going to add the sliver key beneath the second hole in the bottom joint of your clarinet. And you play that key with your ring finger and not your middle finger. Okay? And then throughout all this, don't forget about that crescendo that leads up to that G, and you've got a nice forte there. Leading up to the third line, still forte. This is kind of the second half of this thing is kind of different than the first half. In the second half, you're going to be switching quickly between forte and piano, forte, piano. And then on the last line, you've got piano leading back up to forte. So lots of very contrasting dynamics here. So make sure that you make those kind of extreme. You want your fortes to be nice and loud. You want your pianos to be nice and soft. Okay. And then for the high C there in the last line, second measure, that is just thumb and register key. Takes lots of air to get that note out.